All right, Marcel, let me ask you a question. You like pizza?
Yep.
You like wings?
You know I do.
Yeah, you like barbecue?
Absolutely.
Awesome. What if I said we could watch the games, have great drinks, and eat all those foods?
Now, Guide, I don't come to Tempe much, but if that place exists, I'd know about it.
Well, let me introduce you to Bonfire.
Walking in, I have a Gila Monster Burger.
It's not your typical restaurant.
Arizona Gold Wings in the window.
Initially, we were like, oh, it's a new sports bar. Let's go watch the game. But the food is fantastic.
And for David Lindsley, the restaurant biz has always been more than just a game. It's a family legacy.
My grandfather owned a sports bar.
So you started from there. Got it. What kind of food?
Pizza, wings, burgers, barbecue is what we wanted to build the whole restaurant on.
It has great gourmet food. The spin on the pizza is awesome.
Ole Smokey.
The Ole Smokey Pizza gets smoked brisket, pork, chicken.
I go bite first, crust next. Sometimes I share with my wife, sometimes.
What are we into first?
We're gonna make our dough. You take 7 pounds of water, salt,
Got it.
sugar next,
Drop your yeast.
and then everything goes in. Garlic oil.
25-pound bag of flour.
That's not gonna spill anywhere. I have black coffee.
How long are we gonna mix?
9 minutes.
Let it proof, portion it, and let it rest for 24 hours, and we'll use it tomorrow.
That's correct. We're gonna make a brine for the chicken thighs.
Let's walk through this.
Water, brown sugar, salt, black pepper.
Garlic and red chili flake. So the brine is done. Drop that over the top of the boneless, skinless chicken thighs.
That is correct.
Dry rub this pork and the brisket.
We are salt, Italian seasoning, onion powder, granulated garlic, paprika, black pepper. Liberally sprinkle it on the brisket. Into the smoker,
What kind of wood?
applewood. We're gonna make barbecue sauce.
Got it.
Start with the water, cornstarch to make a slurry, ketchup, pineapple juice, apple cider vinegar. We also make our own smoke water. Brown sugar, Worcestershire,
Molasses.
Smoked paprika.
smoked paprika,
Go Marcelius.
dry mustard, salt, cayenne, granulated garlic, pepper, and onion powder.
How long are we gonna let this cook down?
6 to 8 hours.
All right, chicken thighs, pork butt, and the brisket. Chop it up and build the pie.
Okay, we're gonna take our fresh-made pizza dough,
The barbecue sauce we just made.
shredded mozzarella,
Pork, chicken, brisket.
house caramelized onions.
What temp are you running that oven at?
650. We're gonna finish it with our garlic butter, also house-made.
How about we just start telling us when you don't make something in-house?
I didn't make the pan.
Thank you.
Granulated garlic and oregano, white cheddar cheese curds, fresh grated pecorino romano,
Pecorino?
shredded parm.
Marcel, watch how a pro does this. Go ahead.
Oh, okay.
I know better than to not let him eat. It looks like a little kid's pizza in your hand.
Can I start?
Go right ahead.
Chef,
What I was gonna
in all honesty, when we started putting all those ingredients on the pizza, I thought it was gonna weigh down that crust. But the way you cook that pizza, the way the crust is, house-made, kept its texture, the structure, and the sauce works. That's a good balance. Really good pie.
You're going after my job, aren't you? Marcel's Masterpieces.
Seriously.
When you're a lot of things, you're trying to do barbecue, you're doing pizza and so forth, there's gonna be a flaw. I'm not finding it in that. Well done.
Is your Ole Smokey?
A couple of my buddies here, Chance and Charlie. How is it?
Pizza's incredible with the barbecue.
It's killer.
The cheese curd slowly melts, so it's nice and gooey.
Has a good flavor.
Here's some Bonfire s'mores for you.
Do you guys have a marshmallow roasting program?
We have mini hibachis.
At the table?
Yeah, we do tableside s'mores.
My kids are gonna love this place.
Right?
They take a normal concept like gumbo or jambalaya and then spin it.
Have a dirty Cajun.
The dirty Cajun pasta is fantastic.
It's like pasta and gumbo that collide together, and it's amazing.
I know where I think this is going, but if you're making demi-glace,
We are making demi-glace.
you're a sports place.
We're an elevated sports bar.
That you are. Let's go for the demi-glace. Rub the bones with the tomato paste
Red onions, carrots, celery,
and garlic in this.
oil. We're gonna roast the beef bones, then we will roast the veg. We're gonna start building our demi-glaze
Okay.
vegetables, roasted bones.
We got red wine, salt, thyme, bay leaf, black peppercorn, and a bunch of water. This is all gonna cook for how long?
8 to 10 hours.
And the demi-glace is for your gumbo, and then the gumbo is for the dirty pasta.
That is correct.
The knee bone's connected to the thigh bone,
The thigh bone's connected to the
hip bone.
hip bone's connected
Is that
to
it?
the
Pelvis.
Come on.
pelvis.
It is
Pelvis. What are we into now?
actually. We have to make the pizza sauce to make the fry. The fry goes into the gumbo.
Is anybody at home confused? I am.
Ground tomatoes, tomato paste, brown sugar, oregano, pecorino romano, sugar, fresh parsley, black pepper, salt, and crushed red pepper.
Okay?
So the fry, we'd start with the pizza sauce, and then it gets chicken bouillon, cayenne pepper, a little bit more salt, more crushed red pepper, herb blend.
So this is the Fra Diavolo sauce. I know where we're at. We're at gumbo.
We are at gumbo, bacon fat, flour. To the roux, we're gonna add
Red bell pepper, celery,
green pepper,
onion,
gumbo filet, bay leaves,
thyme,
salt,
Cayenne.
sugar, crushed garlic.
Worcestershire hot sauce.
And then that's gonna roast down for 45 minutes and add our smoked chicken thighs, hot leg
Hot leg
sausage.
sausage, Fra Diavolo, the tomato sauce.
Demi that we made earlier. That'll
Got
cook for 3 to 4 hours. That way we have everything ready for the dirty Cajun.
Hit it.
Pulled pork, fresh roasted green chilies, house-made salsa verde, tomatillo
What did we say
sauce.
about house-made, Dave?
Just tell us when it's not.
Hot links, 4 ounces of gumbo, Fra Diavolo, shredded mozzarella. Gonna add the pasta.
Top with some cheese curds.
Yep.
Into the salamander.
I hit it with garlic and oregano, fresh basil, garlic bread.
You know what this tastes like, Marcel?
Tastes like gumbo pasta.
I think the piece that I like the most about it is that you didn't make any of it in-house. The only thing you didn't do is throw the pottery to make the plate. This dish is great. Gumbo by itself sometimes, it's just gumbo. You've taken gumbo and made it into a full entree. Job well done, my friend.
Dirty Cajun.
Never had gumbo with pasta. It's incredible. It's legit.
The mama's meatloaf right here.
I love Bonfire.
You're gonna come here and find something that you really enjoy.
I told Marcel, we're rolling through. You gotta have that place to watch the game and really get the experience. I think you're delivering.
All about the food, man.
Yeah.
Good job.
Come by Bonfire.